Yes, you're welcome to another beat breakdown tutorial where I'll show you how to make a SIMI type beat. And you know how it goes. We listen to the preview and then we deconstruct it. So let's listen. All right, so while making this beat, I started with this sample. So I called the guitarist to get this down for me. So it was originally by, I think it was Sita Osadebe, a high life musician back in the days. So but it's a very popular melody. So I just sampled it, called the guitarist to give me that sound, and then yeah, I just pretty much built the whole thing from that sound. Then what I did next was play this shaker. That's a shaker loop, and this was what he sounded like. So then I added some percussions. I think this 1/4. I think it's 1/4. Yeah. Then I did layering with this sound. Did layering with that sound. I copied the same thing here for this guy. I always say the thing about layering is when you're layering, combine sounds that are really similar, that kind of like have from the same family, so that you can have a fuller sound. As if you want a fuller sound, like you want the sound to be really full. Layer sounds that are in the same family. Like if you're mixing conga, you understand, you can use other percussion sounds to combine with the conga to make it sound fuller, because conga is a percussion instrument. So that was how I got the loop there. Then I played this one next. And this is just this sound here. And then a kind of like a shaker sound. Kind of shaker sound happening over there. Then yeah, so that was basically I built the percussion for it, and added the regular, kick and all of that. Let's see how this. So you can hear an agogo sound and a bell sound. Layer them, like I said, layer instruments are in the same family. Like this, an agogo and a bell kind of sounds close. So then this is a snare. So that's it really for the percussion side of drums, then I added my kick. Let me open up my drums, my kick, so you see what happened there. Let's see if I can find my kick. Where is the kick? Is this it? Yeah, this is it. Yeah, then what I did next was play this instrument. That's with the so that was how I played the piano. That's the piano sound, already rendered it. Then I play this sound next. You know, the thing with Simi is like she kind of uses high life a lot, but she tries to like modernize the high life to make it sound have more of pop elements to it. So that's one of the things I noticed about Simi, that she does a lot. So here I also have another instrument playing in the background here, kind of like a pad. That's an organ. I think it's from Purity. Yeah, it's from Purity. Leslie Noise Fast, other organ. So that's what I used to kind of fill up the ambience, like to make it sound fuller. Then my bass line came in. Sorry about that. When I'm structuring my beats, I like to create movement. Like, I don't like it to be too straight. So I like it to always have vibe to it, so that when the artist is singing on, the artist don't need to do too much vocal backups or too much vocal play. Just be as simple as possible for the artist to just vibe with it. So that's why I like to add lots of parts. But then again, the parts should not be distracting. It should just complement the song. Yeah, it should not really stick out so much that it distracts what the artist is doing. So that's a piano sound to support the melodies already going on. Then the classic sound came in here. Just the same notes, kept playing all through. You also add more swing to the beats. Then this part here has a different vibe here, but listen to what happened here. So I changed the drum arrangement. I took out the percussions, left only the shaker, and made it regular to like. So that's what I did there. Then I added some different set of. I even played a different bass line, and I played some supporting instruments there. Then I played this one also. So that was what I did there. This sound is from Orchestral. I think it's under the trumpet sound. You find the sounds in Orchestra. Orchestra has really great trumpets, flutes, strings, and yeah, like the name says, Orchestra. Then I played my bass line. Yeah, so that's it really. The bass line just is kind of has a high life feel to it. Alright, so another thing that really gave this beat direction was the drum roll. Yeah, it sounds whack on its own, but when I add this guy, then we're heading somewhere, then I added this guy again. What this is just 3 different crash. This is just a single crash. So I just like played it in 3 parts, 1, 2, 3, to get that crash sound like a drummer would do. And I have this fill over here. I got it from one of the packs. There's so many packs online these days that you can easily get for free with crazy drum rolls and the rest. Because I was kind of feeling too lazy to play my own drum rolls, so I just used the pack. Yeah. So that was it really. That's how I put the whole thing together. Then the intro, there are some strings and pads here. So I just layered the initial melody from that guitar with this sound, these flutes, to just make it sound more interesting. I did the same thing here again. That is a lower note to make it sound fuller. So this is another drum roll I got. Just dropped it, then it's combining it to what I already played here without it. This is how it sounds. But with this drum roll, so yeah, that's it really. Yeah, then I have some tricks I can show you from this project that might help you. I had a bass roll off here. It kind of sounds like a real bass guitar when you roll it, so this was what I did here. So you just roll your MIDI keys down and to just do that for you. Yeah, so that's how to get that done. So that was how to make a SIMI Type beat, and I'll see you on the next tutorial. It's your boy Sir Classy. Take care.